Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn about group, ungroup, align, mirror and other mind-blowing functions. By the way, I'm Shriyans and this is my little sister Nandini. Hi, and we are the Milli Makers.
Hey Nandini, in the previous video we didn't complete the menu bar. In today's video we will complete it. So, in the menu bar, this is a group. A control plus G on the option. This is a group option which can be also used if you click control plus G on the keyboard. But before I could teach you that, I have to teach something which is very important in Tinkercad. So, whenever you take a shape, you will see this bar. This shape bar, it is divided into solid and whole. Now we are going to go in solid. And now solid is divided into presets and custom. Presets have different shades and divided into multicolor and transparent. And in custom, we have a circle and a rotator. On rotating it, it goes to different shades, isn't it?
Yeah, it is so fabulous and amazing.
Now, this is whole. On pressing this, as you can see, the shape on the workplane has become transparent, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
Now, I am giving a closer view and showing you from different directions so that you could understand it properly, as it is a very unique option, isn't it?
Yeah, it is very unique.
Now I have deleted the cube and taken a fresh cube. Now we have radius, which is a mathematical term used for circles. Now you can use a slider as well as these numbers. On clicking these numbers, a box comes. You could delete it and write any number you want. Now I have changed the number. This is very cool, right?
Yeah, its edges have become so curved.
Now I am showing you the view from different directions and angles so that you can understand it properly. Now this is steps. On decreasing it, it becomes very rough and it seems as if someone has carved it or what. Do you want to see that?
Yeah.
Did you see that? It was completely like carved. And now on increasing it, it becomes so smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now we have length, width and height, which are all mathematical terms. On increasing it, the length becomes bigger. On increasing the width, the breadth becomes bigger. And on increasing the height becomes bigger. Now I have increased the size. Now I have decreased the size. Now, by the way, you too mention your height in the comments. I have deleted that cube. Now I have taken a fresh cube to make you understand group. So now I am going to use group. So check it out. Now, so Nandini, do you know that solid shapes can be merged to solid shapes?
No, I didn't know that, but I'm curious to know.
So I merged these two cubes and I am showing you from different direction so that you could see that it is completely merged or not. Is it merged?
Yeah.
I hope you are curious. We have selected and dragged so that this shape can become selected. And now on grouping this, it becomes a new shape. Now let me show you. As you can see now, there is no line of intersection between them, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now if you increase the means if you try to fly it, they both will not fly separately, they will fly together. Now I have this cube, and now it is time to explore the second part. Now I have taken a transparent or whole cube, I have merged it to another one. I am again going to show you from different direction so that you could see how it works. I have selected it as I did before. I have pressed group. Now, as you can see, the part which was covered by the transparent cube has been sliced off, isn't it?
Yeah, it is so amazing.
This is a very cool option, and it has very good features. Now, next we have ungroup or Control plus Shift plus G on the keyboard. On pressing this, deleted cube to which this cube gets got sliced will come back. It has come back, right?
Yeah, I agree. It has come back.
I hope you understood ungroup. Now, I had used these two for explaining a group or an ungroup, so I deleted them. Now, we are done with group and ungroup. Please don't be confused between them. Now, this is a line or L on the keyboard. Are you curious to know about that and explore that?
Yeah, I am very curious to experiment and explore it.
Now, before I could teach you that, I have to teach you something which is very important. Now, you could see some black and white threads. On touching them, they become red. If you stretch it either on the right or left, it becomes bigger in length as well as breadth. And when you stretch it diagonally, it stretches the length and breadth get bigger simultaneously. Now, this is height, which is a button in the center. On stretching or increasing upwards or downwards, it becomes bigger. Next, we have this cone. On take it up, it doesn't stretch, but it flies up. Isn't it like Superman?
Yeah, it is flying like Superman and other heroes.
Now, we have these curves. On rotating them, they rotate in different directions and angles. And you could see some white squares. On pressing them, they become blue. And then if you type any number, they change to that angle. What would you prefer? The slider option or this white box option? Mention in the comments below. Like this, we have different arrows, and you will observe that if the line of the rotation option is small, it goes by 45, 45, 45, and then if you make the line bigger, it goes by 1, 1, 1. It is very common to use, and this is very important, so make sure you learn it properly. Now I have taken this transparent cube, decreased its length and breadth and increased its height, and now I have merged it in this cube. Nandini, are you curious to know about what will happen next?
I don't know, but I am curious.
Now, as you can see on the work plane, I have selected them, and now I am going to press align. Let's press it. I have pressed it. As you can see, there are some dots attached with lines. On pressing them, they go at different levels. As you can see, on pressing this, it went up. This where it went up. On pressing this, it went in the center in the middle. On pressing this lower option, it went down. On pressing this right option, this transparent cube goes to the right. On pressing this, it goes in the middle. Then on pressing this, it goes in the left. Like this, we have the similar one here. Nandini, this is very amazing, right?
Yeah, I agree. It is amazing.
Now, it is like align high, align medium, align low, and align right, align middle, and align left. Nandini, did you understand and comprehend it properly?
Yeah, I understood it completely.
Now I've made this transparent cube solid. Nandini, isn't it looking like a nail polish?
Yeah, it is looking like a red nail polish bottle.
Yeah, I think this meat. I've selected this. Now I'm going to go and press align. As you can suppose there's a condition that you want a thing to be in the middle. You could take this use align option, and if you want to make a hole in the middle, you can use a transparent cylinder and align it in the middle of any shape. This is very useful and fruitful, right?
Yeah, it can be totally used to group.
Now we have done this, and now we don't need this. I've deleted it. So the next option is mirror or M on the keyboard. Nandini, did you like this icon? I love this the most. By the way, you to mention that do you like this option or not? Mention your opinion in the comments. Nandini, do you like it?
Not yet, because I don't know how to use it.
That's the value point. Now, I had taken a wrong shape, so I'm gonna go and correct myself and take a shape which is so that I could teach you how to use mirror. Just scribble on taking this on the work plane. There's a different work plane which appears, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
Do you think we need this?
I don't think so.
So we'll press done and just give a very close look. So I have taken it to the default position. Now if you press the mirror, you could, it's basically that if you turn it 180 degrees, if it turns or changes its placement, means you can use mirror on this. And this is used very frequently. I'm pressing this. Let me show you how this happens. On pressing this, it went towards the opposite side. On pressing this, it went to the opposite side. On pressing this, it went to the opposite side. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, I hope you understood. Now, we are done with these arrows, so we don't need this anymore. So we will go and delete this. Now, this is the cruise option. I will teach you about this in the next or another video, because it's a new option. Bye bye. Meet you in the next lesson.